When creating interactions with AI models and Botstacks, the effectiveness of your prompts can significantly impact the quality of responses and user experience. To ensure optimal results, it's essential to understand the components of a well-constructed prompt and how they contribute to guiding the AI model's understanding and response generation. In this video, we'll delve into the 6 key components of giving prompts to AI models and discuss their order of importance along with practical examples. Key components on prompts. 1. Task. The task is essentially what you want the AI model to do or provide. It's like giving it a job description. By clearly stating the task, you're guiding the AI on what specific action or information you need from it. This is crucial because it sets the direction for the interaction, ensuring that the AI's responses are relevant and aligned with your objectives. Providing a clear task ensures that the AI model understands the user's intent and delivers relevant responses. 2. Context. Context provides the background information necessary for the AI to generate accurate responses. It's like setting the stage for the conversation. Without context, the AI might not understand the user's situation or needs properly, leading to generic or irrelevant responses. Providing context ensures that the AI can tailor its output according to the specific circumstances. 3. Exemplar. An exemplar is like providing examples or samples of the desired responses. It helps the AI understand what you're expecting from it by showing specific instances of what a correct or appropriate response looks like. This can be particularly helpful in guiding the AI to provide more accurate and relevant outputs. 4. Persona. Persona refers to the personality or character that the AI adopts in its responses. It's like defining the AI's demeanor or style of communication. While not always necessary, aligning the persona with the intended interaction can enhance user engagement and make the conversation more enjoyable or relatable for users. 5. Format. Format refers to the structure, grammar, syntax, and phrasing of the prompt. A well-formatted prompt is easier for the AI to understand and interpret accurately. Clear and concise language, proper grammar, and consistent formatting help ensure that the AI can process the prompt effectively and provide appropriate responses. 6. Tone. Tone reflects the attitude or emotional expression conveyed in the prompt. It sets the mood of the interaction and influences how the AI responds. While tone may not always be explicitly specified, it can be implied through the choice of words and phrasing. Tailoring the tone to match the desired user experience can enhance engagement and make the conversation more enjoyable for users. All prompts may not contain every component, but the task is a must. Context and exemplars are vital for clarity, while persona, format, and tone elevate the user experience.